Hello. In last lecture, we have discussed your unit number first. In that, the first part is the mean values theorem. In that, the first theorem is about the Rolle's theorem, correct? Now, today we will discuss the next topic, that is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, Lagrange's mean value theorem or LMVT. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, LMVT. Now, statement of this theorem LMVT. Okay, just like Rolle's theorem. Okay, so first is f of x is continuous on the closed interval a comma b. First condition is same. Okay, f of x is continuous on the closed interval a comma b. Also second condition is also same. Second condition, f of x is differentiable on open interval a comma b. Okay, these first two conditions are same for Lagrange's mean value theorem also. Okay, these two conditions belongs to same condition for Rolle's theorem, then same condition for the Lagrange's theorem. Okay, LMVT. Okay, LMVT. Okay, now if these two conditions are satisfied, then there exists at least one point C belongs to this open interval a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. This is your statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, and if f of b is equal to f of b, then these two theorems are same, that is Lagrange's theorem and Rolle's theorem are same. Okay, so the statement, first condition, f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b. Second condition, f of x is differentiable on open interval a comma b. And then if these two conditions are satisfied, then there exists at least one point C belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay, these are the conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, now we will discuss examples on that theorem. Okay, examples on Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, example first, verify Lagrange's mean value theorem LMVT. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem LMVT for f of x is equal to x in bracket x minus 2 in interval 1 to 3. Okay, we have to verify this theorem on the interval 1 to 3, and here f of x is x in bracket x minus 2. Okay, so देखो see here in solution here f of x is x in bracket x minus 2. Okay, x in bracket x minus 2 in this interval. यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू क्या है? a is equal to, here also a is equal to 1 and value of b is equal to 3. Correct. Then first condition, second condition, correct. Here f of x is polynomial. Here f of x is a polynomial, and we know that every polynomial is continuous and differentiable, correct. Therefore, f of x is continuous continuous and differentiable on the interval 1 comma 3. Okay, this is your interval. This f of x satisfy this all the conditions of Lagrange's theorem. Okay, therefore f of x satisfy all conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, therefore by using Lagrange's mean value theorem, therefore there exists at least one point C belongs to this interval 1 comma 3 such that f dash of C is equal to क्या आता है f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Okay, suppose this is your equation star. This is your statement of LMVT, correct? By f of x satisfy the condition of LMVT. Therefore by LMVT क्या जाएगा? There exists at least one point C belongs to 1 comma 3 such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A. Okay, so here f of x is this, correct? Here f of x is equal to f of x is given क्या है x square minus 2x, correct? Multiply this x in that bracket. First we have to find value of f of B and f of A. f of A क्या जाएगा? Here is 1, here is 1. Put find f of 1. तो 1 क्या जाएगा? 1 square minus 2. तो क्या जाएगा? 1 square minus 2. This is 1 minus 2. This is minus 1. Correct? Value of f of 1. Also value of f of B. Here B is 3. Value of B is 3. तो क्या जाएगा? f of B. Here B is 3. क्या जाएगा? 3 square minus 3 into 2 6. This is 9 minus 6 and this is 3. Correct? 9 minus 6. This is 3. Okay. Also f dash of x is equal to take derivative of this. This is your f of x square minus 2x. उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या जाएगा? 2x minus 2. Correct? 2x minus 2. Now put all these value in equation star. Okay, equation star becomes therefore equation star becomes क्या जाएगा? f dash of c. This is your f dash of x. Here is f dash of c. Okay, x replaced by c. तो क्या जाएगा यहाँ पे? 2c minus 2 is equal to value of f of b that is f of 3. f of 3 क्या है? 3 minus f of 1. This is your minus 1 divided by b minus 1. तो b कितना है यहाँ पे? b is 3 and a is 1. तो क्या जाएगा? b minus 1? 3 minus 1. Correct? 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. Okay, value of f of 1, value of f of 3. f of b minus f of a divided by b minus 1. Okay, now solve this. तो क्या जाएगा? This is 3 minus plus 1. This is 4 divided by 2. We get answer is 2. This is your 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Correct? Therefore this is 2c minus 2 is equal to क्या गया? 2. Now this 2 goes to this side. तो क्या जाएगा? 2c is equal to 4. 2c is equal to क्या जाएगा? 4. This implies c is equal to 2. 2c is equal to 4 implies c is equal to 2. This is your point. We get c. The point c belongs to in this interval. Is this c belongs to this interval? Yes. This interval is 1 to 3. So c is equal to 2 belongs to 1 comma 3. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है? This implies that the LMT भी verify. Correct? Therefore LMVT verified. Correct? LMTV verified. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer. For moreover conclusion, तो उसका conclusion क्या जाएगा? Conclusion ये लिखने की जरूरी नहीं है, लिख दिया तो भी चलेगा. At x is equal to 2, find value of this function. क्या जाएगी value of 2? Find f of 2. क्या जाएगा f of 2? At x is equal to 2, क्या जाएगी उसकी वैल्यू? f of 2. We get f of 2 is equal to क्या जाएगा? 2 square 4 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 4 we get 0. Put x is equal to 2 in that function, we get f of 2 is equal to 0. Correct, f of 2 is equal to 0. तो उसका conclusion क्या है? Conclusion क्या है? That is the 2 comma 0. This x here x is equal to 2. We get this is your value of y. This is your value of y. Okay, this is your value of y. That is 2 comma 0. That is at x is equal to 2, we get y is 0. Okay, at 2 comma 0, at 2 comma 0 is the point where tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point 1 comma 3. Chord joining the point 1 comma 3. Okay, this is your geometrical view. Conclusion, at x is equal to 2 we get value of y is 0. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या आता है? This point 2 comma 0 is the point where tangent is parallel to the given point. This is your 1 comma 3. Okay, वो लिख दिया नहीं लिख दिया conclusion कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आपका टारगेट क्या है? We have to find value of c such that this c belongs to in that interval. Okay, this is your target. तो देखो we have to use LMVT. तो first target, show that this is continuous, then show that this is your differentiable. Then by using LMTV, we have to show that, then we have to find the value of c such that c belongs to given interval. Okay, this is your target. This is example first on LMVT, that is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, now second example we have to discuss about the sum equalities. Okay, कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन आ गया यहाँ पे तो we have to solve. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है वो. करेक्ट. Now we have to discuss some inequalities on that topic. Okay, some inequalities on that topic, that is inequalities on LMVT. Correct, LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay, now look on the board. By using LMVT we have to show that some inequalities. Okay, using Lagrange's mean value theorem, example second, using Lagrange's mean value theorem, prove that b minus a divided by b less than log b upon a less than b minus a divided by a, where 0 less than a less than b. Okay, this is your question. Okay, this is your inequality. Okay, तो देखो we have to show that this result. Okay, we have to show that this result, that is b minus a divided by b less than log b divided by a less than b minus a divided by a, where 0 less than a less than b. Okay, So this is your target. We have to show that this result by using Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay. Now here we have to select the function. First target, we have to select the function f of x is equal to, here this is your function log, correct, this is your function. Here we have to select, here or let f of x is equal to log of x. This belongs to in the form of log. Okay. Now these two conditions, and this is your interval, and 0 less than a less than b, correct, this is your interval. Okay, this is your interval. Now f of x is, this is continuous and differentiable in the interval, this, correct, a to b. Here f of x is continuous and differentiable in the interval a to b, correct, in the interval a to b, because the logarithmic functions are the continuous and differentiable in its domain, and domain is greater than 0, no problem. This is your continuous and differentiable. If less than 0, at that time the problem in logarithmic function. Okay, but this is strictly greater than 0. Okay. Now by LMTV, by LMVT, there exists C belongs to A comma B such that, क्या जाएगा, by using LMVT, there exists C belongs to A comma B such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. This is your statement, correct, this is your statement. Now suppose this is your equation first, this is your equation first, by using LMVT, that is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay. Now here f of x is log x, f of x is log x. Then tell me derivative of f of x, क्या मिलेगा? This is your f dash of x is equal to, log का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या आता है, 1 by x, correct, 1 by x, and this x is always greater than 0. This is verified, correct, this is possible. Then replace x by c, तो क्या जाएगा? This implies f dash of c is equal to, क्या मिलेगा, 1 by c, correct, f dash of c is 1 by c, f dash c is 1 by c. Okay. Now here the given inequality is here a less than b, so by using LMVT, obviously this c belongs to in that interval, तो क्या जाएगा, here a less than b implies a less than c less than b, correct, a less than c less than b. Okay, a less than c less than b. Now take the reciprocal. Now by using reciprocal, क्या होता है, इक्वलिटी चेंजेस, करेक्ट, तो 1 by a greater than 1 by c greater than 1 by b, correct, this is nothing but, I will write here, this is nothing but 1 by b greater than 1 by c greater than 1 upon a, correct. Now this is your c. Now from equation 1 equation 1 becomes suppose this is your equation 2, now equation 1 becomes, put value of f dash c, value of f dash of c is 1 by c, this is your 1 by c is equal to value of f of b, f of x is log x, तो f of b क्या मिलेगा, f of x is log x, तो f of b क्या जाएगा, log of b माइनस f of a क्या जाएगा, log of a divided by b minus a, divided by b minus a, correct, divided by b minus a, correct. Now put this value of 1 by c in equation 2, put in equation 2, put in equation 2, तो क्या जाएगा equation 2, therefore 1 by b less than, this is value of log of c, sorry 1 by c log of b minus log of a divided by b minus a less than 1 by a, less than 1 by a. Now multiply this 1 by b whole equation, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा b minus a divided by b less than, यहाँ पे multiply किया तो this is cancel, यहाँ पे use the property of log, this is log of b divided by a less than, यहाँ पे multiplication किया तो क्या जाएगा b minus a divided by a, okay, and this is your result, this is your result. We have to show that the same result, b minus a divided by b less than log of b by a less than b minus a divided by a for 0 less than a less than b, correct, hence prove, hence prove, okay. तो देखो by using Lagrange's mean value theorem, first consider the function f of x as log x, then log x is continuous and differentiable in its domain, therefore by using LMVT there exists c belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now find all these values. Here this is your equality, a b greater than a, obviously c belongs to a and b, correct. For this purpose here I will write a less than c less than b. Now take opposite to this, that is we have to find reciprocal, equality changes, correct, we get this, okay. Now put value of f dash c here, we get value of f dash of c. Now replace value of 1 by c in equation second, we get the required answer, okay. This is application part of LMVT, okay. Okay, now example third, we have to show that the next inequality, same equality, थोड़ा सा change है, okay. Second, now third, by using LMVTE, by using the Lagrange's mean value theorem, show that b minus a divided by under root 1 minus a square less than sine inverse of b minus sine inverse of a less than b minus a divided by under root 1 minus b square for a less than 1, b less than 1 and a less than b, okay. This is your second question. We have to solve this question same. Here we have to consider f of x as sine inverse of x, okay. Here we have to consider f of x as sine inverse x, okay, and try, we get answer definitely. Now this is your example third. Now example fourth, verify LMVT, that is Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 on the interval minus 1 comma 2, okay. This is also simple example. We have to verify LMT for the function f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 on the interval minus 1 comma 2. These two are homeworks, okay. Try to solve these two questions. Now last mean value theorem, that is a Cauchy mean value theorem, okay. Cauchy mean value theorem. This is also same for Lagrange's and Rolle's. Okay, but in Cauchy mean value theorem there are two functions. We will discuss this. Third Cauchy mean value theorem. Cauchy mean value theorem. Okay, this is for two functions f of x and g of x defined in the same interval. Okay, if statement, if f of x and g of x, I will write the statement, okay, if f of x and g of x, if f of x and g of x are functions so first f of x and g of x continuous on first and g of x are continuous on closed interval a comma b. These two functions are continuous on closed interval a comma b. Okay, first condition, same for Rolle's and Lagrange's. Second, f of x and g of x are differentiable on open interval a comma b. These two functions are differentiable on open interval a comma b. Okay, first two conditions are same. Okay, just like the Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's theorem. Okay, and g of a not is equal to g of b. Then there exists C belongs to a comma b such that, same definition, देखो, f of x and g of x are continuous on closed interval a comma b, f of x and g of x are differentiable on a comma b, and g of a not is equal to g of b, then there exists C belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c divided by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by g of b minus g of a. Okay, this is your statement of Cauchy mean value theorem. Here there are two functions f of x and g of x. These two functions are continuous on closed interval a comma b, interval is same, also differentiable on same interval a comma b, and g of a not is equal to g of b, then there exists C belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c divided by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by g of b minus g of a. Okay, same statement, same logic. Okay, try to solve example on the Cauchy mean value theorem. Okay, here the topic mean value theorem is over. In next lecture we will discuss the Taylor and Maclaurin series. Okay.